Welcome to Healthcare Today. There is a common belief in common population that okay, I am suffering with osteoarthritis, I am having knee pain, I am having difficulties in my day-to-day life, and my orthopedic surgeon advised me for knee surgery. But we have a feeling, let's continue till I can do. This is my natural joint. Till the time I can do, just continue with it. Don't get the knee replacement done. Is this thought correct or not? So, if we see the whole scenario philosophically, then this is not a correct approach of taking the life. Suppose, for an example, a person of 60-year age, his knee pain is quite significant, and on X-ray we are seeing his arthritis is quite severe, and his day-to-day life is significantly hampered due to the symptom, that means pain. And definitely that patient can be benefited with a knee replacement. If the patient thinks that let's continue the day I cannot walk anymore, on the day I will do the surgery, then what he will achieve? So, as a human being, we should expect a good quality of life, and we should enjoy our own life. If with pain I cannot do anything, how can I enjoy my life? I cannot. And the same persons suffering with the pain for the 10-15 years, then from the 60 when I am 75, I cannot do anything anymore, even I cannot walk a step to my toilet, and I am getting my knee replacement done. What I have achieved? Last 15 years live in agony with pain, and at the 75 years I did the knee replacements only because I want to go to the toilet from my bed. Is it a correct approach to the life? I don't think so. The correct approach to the life is to live your life not only long but also with a quality. So, if your joint is degenerated significantly and your knee joint symptom is quite significant to disturbs your day-to-day life, don't think about your age, because after 50 at any age, if you have arthritis, significant symptom disturbing enough to stop your daily life, a good knee replacement can bring you back to your normal life and let you enjoy your life, rather than bearing the pain and dragging your life with pain. Embrace the new life and joy with a knee replacement. We care of you.